Hi, this is my Poly coin flipper where you can flip multiple coins at the same time. So first you type in a number of how many times you want to flip one coin, and it shows you heads and tails, the numbers. And if you want to flip two coins, you press the two coin button, and then this is the second coin where it says two heads. It landed on heads 5 times and tails 10 times, where the first one landed on heads 8 times and tails 7 times. And if I wanted to flip 3 coins simultaneously, I press the 3 coin button. So you can see the heads for the first coin landed 11 times, on the second coin it landed 6 times, and on the third coin it landed 6 times too. And for the tails, on the third coin 9, on the second coin 9, and on the first coin 4. And you can press the button multiple times to get a varied result. And for the code, which is here, I used multiple procedures to help make the process easier. So since the flipping one coin and two coins are very similar, except you just need to add more variables, I made the global N and global N heads a procedure, which you can see is in all my code here at the top. And then if it's two coins, I just add a second N head global variable, and if it's three, then I add a third one. And inside each button click, there is a loop, depending on how many times you enter a number here. So for example, it would loop 15 times and it would start flip, and start flip is choosing a random integer between 1 and 2 for the first coin, and if it lands on 1, then it counts as a head. And for two coins, I have a start flip 2, and it uses the random integers 9 and 10 to prevent the same number of heads and tails for each coin. And if it lands on 9, then it becomes a head for the second coin. And for the third one, I used integers from 5 and 6. And then for the text, I used /n to start a new line, so it's not all cramped together. It looks nice. And it does the number of trials, which for this case would be 15 minus the global N heads, to calculate the number of tails. Thanks for watching.